I think oil can crack down to about $40 a barrel. It could even go lower than that, but let's just worry about 50, right? Let's worry about 10% move lower from here. You said it before, so you have geopolitical. Palestine, Israel, that's off the table right now, for now short term or long term, depending. Ukraine, Russia. If the sanctions are removed, that adds to the glut. OPEC is reversing cuts. It's adding more supply. And you have non-OPEC members, Brazil, Guyana, U.S., all pumping at record volumes. So if you think that these companies are more efficient and their break-evens are lower, you could still buy them. Commodity, I think for me, is still lower price commodity. And I know that it spooks a lot of people to think that $35 a barrel could be in sight. But I think you have a glut hitting the market right now. So definitely sub 50.
Well, there's so much going on. I mean, first, we're talking about oil, which is down 9% in the last 7 sessions. Nat gas is down 31%.
Wow.
So it's sort of broad-based and so forth. As to energy stocks, of course, the entire sector is only 2.7% of the S&P. That's the same as one stock of Vago. But in terms of where crude is headed from here, I'm in the lower camp. I think 40 is aggressive, but I certainly think we can hit 50, and maybe we can look at some charts if we have them. The first thing to note, of course, is that we've been going down since the peak, the recent peak, which is the spike associated with the Ukraine invasion, right? At that point, interestingly, we hit about 150 a barrel, and Wall Street was predicting 250. Of course, none of that happens. That's the way it is. We're now here at 55, and we're hovering at a break level. The next chart is an all-data chart, which depicts sort of where we are now. Those lows, sort of all-time lows, are essentially at $10 a barrel. The one exception is, of course, for a brief moment, we went negative $50 a barrel associated with COVID, which was just almost a glitch, but it happened. I think 50, thereabouts, 40. Were we to get to 40, we are probably in a recession.